The first day of spring? Oh, boy! Perfect for spring cleaning. What a mess! Better get started.
Ah, my spring cleaning is done. I feel so peaceful when everything is in its place.
Hi, neighbor. Time to return some stuff I buried. Nice catch, Wally.
Thanks for nothing. If you never darken my door again, it'll be too soon, Woodpecker!
This just in. A freak spring snowstorm has hit the Tri-County area. Neighbors should look out for one another as this storm could last for a few weeks.
Oh, this can't happen! Oh, no, Weeks! No, Weeks! Oh, no, Weeks!
For once, I agree with you, Wally. I'll go crazy in this place that long. I'll go to the rubber room. Start raving mad, man. Woo!
Okay, listen here, Woodpecker. If you gotta be a guest in my house, then you live by my Swedish cleanliness code, you bet.
Look, I didn't ask to get stuck here either. So just don't get me involved in any of your Swedish shenanigans and you won't even know I'm here.
It's a deal.
This week on As the Bread Rises, Mike and Michelle realize nothing makes their love stronger than getting abducted by
Wally, the TV's gone out from the storm. What'll we do with no TV?
I don't care what you do. Move! Just no more with the noisy and the messy, yeah? Must be calm.
Let me just, good as new.
Woodpecker. Woodpecker! Enough with the boom boom twang.
Hey, Wally, what are you doing?
I'm alphabetizing all my photo slides by the articles of clothing I was wearing in each shot. I'm going to check the order if you'd like to watch.
Gee, can I?
Yeah, and here I am at Mount Sweetmore in my checkered suit. Oh, yeah. I'll never forget this one. The National Fjord Watching Show where I wore my fuchsia parachute pants every day. Oh, yeah. Here I am at the Swedish leg waxing competition in my daisy yellow fisherman's hat. Wait a minute. This slide is out of order. Oh, no. Now we gotta start at the beginning again.
Wally, buddy, I can't take it anymore.
Pull yourself together, Woodpecker!
Hey, Wally.
What do you want now, Woodpecker?
Wanna play sharks?
Be not playing sharks.
Come on, Wally, buddy. We've been cooped up here for a week. You'll love it. The ground is the sea, and the furniture is the land.
Yeah, sure. So, even this coffee table is land?
You are a natural. Now just stay out of the water, or else.
Or else what?
Or else the shark will get you.
Shark? Shark! I help you, little buddy.
The only way to feed him is on his own turf. But how?
I know. My childhood crib in the attic. Shark cage! Fire! We did it! We beat the shark! We beat the shark!
Told you it was a great game. Wally, look! Woohoo! Snow's gone and so am I.
Oh, yoinky doinky.
Come on, Wally. Think of that shark mounted over the fireplace.
How about you mounted over the fireplace?
That's right, folks. We've been hit with more snow. There's nothing like a little more winter to really bring people together.